friends. It's me, Bjerke, and welcome to the house dance striking module. Right? So this module, we're going to focus on striking the floor with our feet, all right, in a few different ways. So we're going to use our heel to strike. We're going to use our toe, the tip of our toe to strike, and we're also going to use the ball of our foot to strike. In this module, you're going to learn a few different variations and different directions of how you can move your feet in different patterns, like different rhythm patterns, and create your own dance. This is just the beginning. There's many ways you can strike. I'm just going to show you a way to get started, right? I'll give you some ideas, and then you're going to try to take these ideas and make them work for you.